Wise, formerly TransferWise, has revolutionized how people send and receive money across borders, offering a refreshing alternative to traditional banking. While its multi-currency account simplifies holding different currencies, a common question arises: how do I get my money out of Wise and into my pocket? As a finance expert, I'm here to demystify the withdrawal process, making it simple for everyone, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting to explore international finance. Understanding your Wise balance. Before diving into withdrawals, it's essential to grasp how your money is held within Wise. Your Wise account is a multi-currency account, meaning you can hold balances in over 40 different currencies. Think of it as having a separate digital wallet for each currency: USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, and many more. When you receive money or convert funds, they land in the respective currency balance within your Wise account. Now, let's explore the primary ways to withdraw your funds from Wise. Method 1. Transferring to your bank account, most common. This is by far the most frequent and straightforward method for getting your money out of Wise. You can send funds from your Wise balance directly to a local bank account in your preferred currency. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log in to your Wise account. Access your Wise account via the website or the mobile app. Select the desired currency balance. On your Wise dashboard, you'll see a list of your currency balances. Choose the currency you wish to withdraw. For example, if you have USD in your Wise account and want to withdraw it to your Nigerian Naira, NGN, bank account, you'll select your USD balance. Initiate a transfer. Look for an option like Send Money, or Withdraw. Click on it. Specify recipient, yourself. Since you're withdrawing to your own bank account, you'll typically select Myself or Send to your own bank account. Enter your bank details. This is crucial. You'll need to provide the accurate details of the bank account where you want the money to go. This usually includes bank name, the full name of your bank, e.g., Guarantee Trust Bank, Zenith Bank. Account name, the name on your bank account, must match your Wise account name for personal withdrawals. Account number, your specific bank account number. Bank code /SWIFT/BIC. Depending on the currency and country, you might need a SWIFT/BIC code, a sort code for UK, or a routing number for US. Wise will guide you on what's required. Recipient address, your address associated with the bank account. Enter the amount. Specify how much you want to withdraw. If you're converting from one currency, e.g. USD, to another, e.g. NGN, for the withdrawal, Wise will show you the exact exchange rate and the final amount that will arrive in your bank account, along with any applicable fees. Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate with transparent fees, meaning you get a fair conversion without hidden markups. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details: the amount, the recipient bank details, the exchange rate, if applicable, and the fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Payment method. If you're converting currencies, e.g. USD to NGN, Wise will automatically use your Wise balance as the source of funds. Track your transfer. Wise provides real-time updates on your transfer, so you can track its progress until it arrives in your bank account. The speed of arrival can vary depending on the currency and the receiving bank, but Wise transfers are often much faster than traditional international bank transfers. Important considerations for bank transfers. Currency conversion. If you're withdrawing a currency you don't hold a balance in, e.g., you have USD in Wise but want NGN in your bank, Wise will convert it at the mid-market rate. This is where a small conversion fee will apply. Recipient details. Always double-check your bank account details. An incorrect number can lead to delays or even lost funds. Bank holidays and processing times. Transfers can be affected by bank holidays in either the sending or receiving country. While Wise is fast, the speed of your receiving bank can also play a role. Receiving bank fees. While Wise is transparent about its fees, your receiving bank might have its own incoming transfer fees, especially for international transfers. It's always a good idea to check with your bank. Method 2. Using the Wise debit card for cash withdrawals and spending. If you have a Wise debit card, you have another highly convenient way to access your funds, particularly for cash withdrawals or spending in different currencies. How to get cash from an ATM with your Wise card. Activate your card. Ensure your Wise debit card is activated. This usually involves making a chip and PIN purchase or an ATM transaction, like a balance inquiry, in your home country. Find a compatible ATM. The Wise card is usually a Visa or MasterCard. Look for ATMs that display the Visa or MasterCard logo. Insert your card and enter PIN. Follow the ATM prompts. Select Withdrawal and Amount. Choose the withdrawal option and the amount you wish to take out. Choose local currency. Crucial tip: when withdrawing abroad, the ATM might ask if you want to be charged in your home currency or the local currency. Always choose to be charged in the local currency, e.g., Naira in Nigeria, Euros in France, dollars in the US. Allowing the ATM to perform the conversion, known as dynamic currency conversion or DCC, will almost always result in a much worse exchange rate and higher fees. Wise will handle the conversion from your balances at the mid-market rate, which is always more favorable. Confirm and collect cash. Confirm the transaction, and your cash will be dispensed.